Welcome back to our channel Factspedia. Depression. Depression is an ongoing thing that is increasing day by day in everyone, especially in teenagers. It has spread like a virus. This thing is making the teenagers weak and losing the teenagers self-control from themselves. It also starts giving negative energy to teenagers' brain. But we have to avoid this now, otherwise it will lead to many bad happenings like self-destruction, suicide and many other things. So the question is, how can we avoid depression? It is just simple as when there is a question, there is always an answer. We all just have to follow some easy ways or steps in our life to overcome and defeat depression and stop it from making our mind in its control. We just have to believe in ourselves and see our greatness and ability and have the confidence of believing that what we are. So today in this video, we are going to tell you some ways to get rid of depression and reduce the depression from your life, and how can we control it just by ourselves without anyone's help. This thing looks so normal, but depression is the worst thing that happens to anyone with so much pressure on mind, and it especially covers teenagers first. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting, I would like you to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update and always get a notification from us. So our first way to get rid of depression is stop thinking negative. Yes, the first step here is to stop thinking negatively about yourself and your life. Always have a positive mindset and a positive attitude towards everything. For example, if you love someone very much and he or she is gone, then that doesn't mean you are bad and they don't deserve you. Because of this, most people and teenagers get depressed. We have to make our mind think that they don't deserve you and you are much greater and better than them. And you can be loved by many others, not just by them. The more you think negatively, the more depression you will get. Stay awake with a positive mind. Think that whatever has been done, now I have to look for the next. Never hang in the same loop of the past. The past is done and cannot be changed now, but you still have the power to change the future. Our second way is smile. This is the most effective way to overcome depression, and many people have benefited from this trick. It may sound a little weird, but smiling is the thing which you have to do to overcome depression. It shows your great confidence and positive energy so that others can interact with you. If you make a smile to a person, then they will smile back at you. That's the law of nature. This trick will help you in many ways. Like when you are saying words thank you or welcome, just pass a smile and then you will notice the person's happiness will spread on his face. And when you do goodbyes, then also you can use it. It will make the person to always remember you in their hearts. Smiling is a very attractive trick to overcome your depression. Our third way is feel happy with whatever you have. That is the most important point every person should have to notice. This point has to be thought by everyone in their life. Everyone in the world is jealous of something. Some are jealous of their neighbors, some are jealous of their friends, and some are jealous of their relatives. This thing makes us feel that we are not having the capability of achieving that thing and hence results in our depression. But originally, we have all the things we need. We just want our relatives or friends to not have such things, and we want to rise above them. And when we cannot do that, we doubt our capability and get depressed. Our fourth way is bad company. This is the truest and saddest point in everyone's life. First, the thing is we are having depression, and other is we are having bad company. We all have people in our life which have different roles in our lives. Some make us laugh, some make us sad, some are useful to us, and some are just a waste of time. As such, we have some people in our life which we call bad company, whose motive is to make us more depressed and feel bad about our future. These types of people don't want to see us happy. They just want us to get down from their eyes so that they can rise above us. They will tell us that you are alone and you are capable of doing anything. You are a waste of time and you are totally wasting your time. Just stay away from these types of people. That's it. Our last but not the least, fifth point of getting away from the depression is do what you want to do. The best and the only last cure of depression is just a simple thing. Do whatever you want to do, no matter who is saying and who is looking at you. If you want to slap someone, then slap. If you want to sleep, then sleep. If you don't want to go to school, then don't go. Just do what your mind says. If you want to propose a girl, just do it. Never think what will be the answer. This is the positivity trick that will help you to come out of depression. As if you started doing these things, then you will start feeling good and then you will become happy. So the simplest and easy way is here. Just do whatever you want to do. I hope you liked the information and video. For such interesting videos, please like and subscribe our channel. Till then, take care. Bye bye.